Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by preparing the hardware. Charge the case and each AirPod to at least 50% so the reset completes reliably. Next, you disconnect them from Bluetooth on any paired device to avoid auto-reconnect conflicts. Once done, keep the lid closed briefly, then open it and leave the AirPods inside. This ensures the case and pods communicate. Make sure you have a small tool nearby for the setup button. This is about control, not force. Now move to the actual reset sequence. You open the lid and locate the setup button on the case back. Press and hold it for about 15 to 20 seconds. While holding, watch the indicator. It should flash amber, showing the case is disassociating, then move to white, which signals the internal settings cleared. This sequence forces the AirPods to forget prior pairings and reboot their connection state. Once the LED turns steady white, you release the button because that confirms the reset completed and the pods are ready to pair again. You repair by placing the case close to your device and opening the lid. Follow the on-screen prompt to connect. If pairing fails, wait about 5 minutes, then repeat the reset sequence. Sometimes cached Bluetooth records need time to clear. Make sure you also manually forget the AirPods in Bluetooth settings on previous devices because lingering pair records cause conflicts. If problems persist, try resetting network settings on your device or test with a different phone to isolate.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.